Hello and welcome to the first forensic update of 2016. I'm Bill Duffin. Just before we rang in the new year, 4 new elements were added to the periodic table, finally completing the 7th row. The International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry officially recognized elements 113, 115, 117, and 118 on December 30th, 2015. All 4 new elements are not found in nature and were synthetically created in laboratories. It's the first time since 2011 the table has been updated. The IUPAC is currently working on formalizing names and symbols for the new additions. For centuries long before passwords and encryption, wax seals were used as a signature for important documents. Researchers at the University of Lincoln in England are examining more than 1,500 seals and documents for finger and palm prints to build a massive database. By gathering ancient fingerprints, researchers could get a better understanding of the statistical likelihood that fingerprints truly are unique in certain populations. In a pilot program, 37% of the documents had viable prints. As an added bonus, the team hopes the prints could uncover fraud and crack open some of the oldest cold cases in Europe during the 3-year-long project. Turns out your brain, even in death, could still be a powerhouse of information. 2 sets of researchers are looking into the circadian rhythm's impact on the brain. A group from the University of Pittsburgh found that genes in people with a known time of death act in a predictable pattern, like a molecular clock. A team from the University of Michigan looked at brains from an unknown time of death and found more than 100 genes with a 24-hour, repeatable pattern showing active and inactive periods. The research from both groups could eventually determine the post-mortem interval in forensic investigations. But the scientists say there are still many variables to study, including mental disorders, addiction, or even jet lag that currently throw off the calculations of the pattern. You can read more about the research on our As Seen on the Forensic Update page. Last month, the Department of Justice made an announcement that will require all department-run forensic labs to obtain and maintain accreditation by 2020. If your lab needs ISO certification support or a QAS DNA audit, our qualified staff is here to help. Email us at sales@nfstc.org for more information. Well, that'll do it for us here at the Forensic Update. For NFSTC, I'm Bill Duffin. We'll see you next time.